Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up nationwide pet insurance enrollment online, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the nationwide pet insurance website. Once on the home page, look for the Get a Quote button. Click on the Get a Quote button to start the enrollment process. Enter your pet's name in the designated field. Select your pet species, either dog or cat. Provide the breed of your pet in the corresponding drop-down menu. Input your pet's date of birth for accurate coverage options. Next, specify whether your pet has been spayed or neutered. Click on the Continue button to move to the next step. Now, you will need to create your user account. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Proceed by clicking the Create Account button. Once your account is created, log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the coverage options. Review the different plans available for your pet. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Next, input your personal information, including your name and address. Provide your phone number for contact purposes. After entering your personal details, click Continue. Now, review your selected coverage and monthly premiums. If you agree with the terms, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment information, including credit card details. Confirm your payment method by checking all details are correct. Once done, click on the Submit button. You will see a confirmation page indicating your enrollment is successful. Check your email for a confirmation message with further details. You're now all set up with nationwide pet insurance for your furry friend. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.